Hello, so today I got Sherlock Japanese. This is the regular edition. And I also got Juliet Type B Japanese. So let's start for Sherlock. This is the first Japanese single that China released. I think it was like in 2012 or something. And it comes with two songs. This is inside. And in the right side it comes with the CD. This has Sherlock Japanese. And another song that is called Keeping Love Again. That is the one that it's playing right now. And this is not. I'll just leave it outside. And in the left side it comes with a poster photo booklet. And it also comes with a photo card. And I got key. The backs are really pretty for these photo cards. And yeah, actually I don't collect key. I kind of like these photo cards though, but I don't collect his photo cards, so this will be up for sale. I'll leave the information below if you want to buy it. And it comes with something else, advertisement, that it's useless if you don't live in Japan. I don't even know what it says since I don't speak Japanese. But yeah. And the poster booklet looks like this. That's the cover. And it has in here Minho, the hands, key, and then it also has Yongyun, timing, and onion. It looks like this. Well, it's a little big to show it to you completely. But yeah, at the back it has the lyrics for Sherlock and Keeping Love Again and the credits. And that's all. It's a really nice one. And then Juliet. This is a Type B. This is like the third or the second Japanese single that they released. I'm not sure which one is, but they released 3 singles back on 2011. It was Replay, Juliet, and Lucifer. I guess it was like Replay, Lucifer, and Juliet in that order. And this is the case with the DVD and CD. It comes with Juliet and Kiss Kiss, Japanese, Korean version of Juliet, and Kiss Kiss instrumental, and the DVD with the music video, Dance Type B, and Tesser. This is a really good picture. I never saw it before. I really like this cover. And behind the disc, it has the galaxy design. So, the photo book. This comes with a photo card, and I got Minho's. So I'm so happy because I collect his photo cards, and I didn't have this one. And yeah, I really like the design of the Japanese cards. It's like unique. I would also like if it comes like with the signatures, but I think, I don't know, the designs are pretty. So yeah, the advertisement and the photo book. It's quite long, so I'll show it to you quickly. So I really like the looks that the guys has in here, and I like a lot this design. I think this is like my favorite design from all the Japanese singles, my favorite concept, even if it's from the Juliet song that it's already a Korean song. Puppy. I really like how Taemin looks with that hair and all this style. He looks so good. And my bias is Minho, but I think Taemin looks the best in here. That one. I wish that the singles that they release now would be like this, with like high quality editions. I mean, Boys Meet You was like this, but I don't know if you saw the last single, 321. All the types, type A, type B, and type C, comes with the plastic cases, you know, the normal CD cases. And the photo booklets are really short, and yeah, I didn't like that editions. I also got them, but I didn't like them very much. And those are pictures from the music video, the Japanese version of Juliet. More shots from the music video. All the boys, all timing looks so good. Yeah, let's move on. Onyu, Key, Timing, Baby Timing, Youngin, Onyu again. Wait, yeah. Where's Minho? Oh, there he is. So handsome. I really like these pictures. Key, Youngin, group shot. Taemini and Key. Onyu, Minho. Younghyun, Onyu again. Onyu again. Younghyun, Minho. Key, Taemini. They're laughing. So funny. That was it. Oh, it says casa. Casa means house in Spanish. I don't know if it means something different in Japanese, but yeah. It's like a house, right? Curious. So yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching. Bye.